526 days का काम था, and that thing had gone out of my system, coming to Karachi, doing gigs for 50-60 days. So I just thought, okay, this would be a good practice for me to get back into the thick of things. The process, again, हम suburbs पे जाके shoot करते थे.
जी.
It wasn't easy. पूरा दिन हम suburbs पे and vanity के अंदर, छोटी सी vanity के अंदर में Hamza at times, और actors, Aiza was there, makeup artist. So, but looking back, it was a lot of fun, I'll say. जैसे मैंने पहले कहा, उस काम का मजा ही क्या जिसमें challenge ना हो, जो कि आपको push ना करे.
Absolutely.
और I'm really glad कि उसको बहुत अच्छा receive किया गया.
Absolutely.
And to be honest, acting at times can be nerve-wracking. And मैंने आपको बताया कि जिन हालात से मैं वापस आ रहा था, personal setbacks and professional setbacks से, the team was very, very good to me. And
Professional setbacks क्या थे?
Professional setbacks यही कि 3-4 साल में कुछ किया नहीं. और
That was a choice, no?
Out of choice, yes. लेकिन आपकी equity as a business,
right.
as a business,
as a brand,
as a business, वो मेरे ख्याल से थोड़ी सी diminish की थी.
Affect होती है.
जी, affect होती है.
Right.
आप जितने भी exclusive हो जाओ, लेकिन जो एक marketing का rule है, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है.
जी.
So
आप नहीं दिख रहे थे और आप फिर बिक भी नहीं रहे थे. As like
yes.
trivializing you it may sound.
Yes.
But जी ऐसा ही है बिल्कुल.
Yes.
ऐसा ही है. तो professional, of course, setbacks फिर हुए. And you went through a personal tragedy, and I don't know how comfortable you are talking about it, but it also had an impact on your work, basically.
जी, बिल्कुल it did.
It did, right?
It did. And I'll just say, don't cry because it's over. Smile because it happened.
Right.
And he was an angel sent from the heavens, and he came for a very specific kind of a person. He wanted to tell me that make something out of yourself, because before that I was just off track. I was just snowboarding through life. And after becoming a father, I think I really, really realized why I exist. And I think this is the power of true unconditional love, that you become better, you work on yourself, you realize there are people dependent on you.
Yeah.
And yeah, I guess
He was your firstborn?
Ji.
He was your firstborn?
Ji, he was. And I think I'm not the same person who I was. Like 4 years ago, I gave the same interview to Something Hot Hassan. And after 4 long years, I'm giving an interview to you. So I think आपका perspective change हो जाता है about life. आपका नज़रिया दुनिया के बारे में बहुत change हो जाता है. And I really believe कि the tenacity to return to the battlefield is what separates the hero from the could have beens. So, personal tragedy, yes, it's a big setback. The wound will never be filled. Some wounds will always sting. But what do? You move on. That's the only choice you have, to be strong and move on.
Yeah.
And I really think that work is itself a very therapeutic kind of a thing.
Has a healing power.
Absolutely.
As an actor, do you see yourself channeling that sorrow and that emotion in your performance? Does one dig into one's personal life?
I think as an actor, आपकी imagination और आपके experiences are what you have.
Right.
जी.
Absolutely.
I might do something the way I think it should be done. Some other actor जिसके experiences और imagination different है. ये instrument, I don't have a guitar or a violin to express myself.
Yeah.
I have this instrument to express myself. तो आपकी feelings, आपके emotions, आपकी emotional life जो है, that does come into play for sure.
Right, right.
जी.
चलें, आपका ये जो instrument है, आपका खुद का, अपना आप, you just referred to yourself as an instrument.
Yeah.
So how do you prepare it for a role, or how do you prepare it for a certain drama? I know that you have 3 passions, which are cricket, music, और तीसरा क्या था?
और भी बहुत हैं.
3 जो आपने बोले हुए हैं कि ये हैं मेरे passions. Cricket भी है, music भी है, और acting, I would say, right or no?
Acting तो living है ना, that's a profession that I do.
फिर?
Yeah. I think music, movies, sports.
Sports, हाँ.
Yeah.
the three passions, and you're very big into fitness because आप लगाते रहते हैं अपनी pictures, gym pictures आप लगाते रहते
You
हैं.
have to pay my bills, Amna.
Yeah, absolutely. No, बिल्कुल I'm not judging you for gym pictures. बिल्कुल भी. ये.
Those pictures don't pay my bills. The instrument has to pay the bills.
Imad, if your gym pictures are paying your bills, I'm very happy for you. Please और लगाएं, रोज लगाया करें, बिल्कुल.
Yeah, I really think कि आपने मुझसे fitness के बारे में क्वेश्चन किया, right? हाँ. It's a therapy for me. I mean, बचपन से I wanted to be an athlete.
Okay.
बचपन से I wanted to be an athlete. I mean, either a tennis player or a footballer or a cricketer. I mean, do you blame me for cricketers like Imran Khan, Wasim Akram, Waqar Yunus, उसके बाद Javed Miandad, Zahir Abbas? Do you blame me for not wanting to become a cricketer? I think every Pakistani wanted at that time, जो हमारी generation है, wanted to become a cricketer.
Right.
So उसके अलावा टेनिस का बहुत शौक था, फुटबॉल का बहुत शौक था. So it's just I was like a child जो पार्क जाता था and never wanted to come home. I would just sleep, drink, eat sports. कुछ भी टीवी के ऊपर आ जाए, I would just want to just sit there. 5-5 दिन के टेस्ट मैच 8-8 घंटे आराम से देख लेना. Yeah, that. और ये नहीं कि सिर्फ पाकिस्तान खेल रहा हो, चाहे इंडिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया का मैच हो रहा हो.
आप देखते थे.
I can still watch it if I have the time and luxury.
And then your mother realized that okay, I've got a good-looking boy who's also fit. इसको तो model बनाओ.
I wish.
ऐसा नहीं हुआ था?
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं हुआ था, बिल्कुल ही नहीं हुआ था. वो बहुत चाहते थे कि I have some white collar conventional kind of a job. लेकिन मैं थोड़ा unconventional, unorthodox किस्म का बंदा था और I just wanted to pursue my dreams. I really think as humans we have this very primary need to feel significant. हमें प्यार चाहिए होता है, हमें significance चाहिए होती है, importance चाहिए होती है. So these kind of professions give you that.
Oh, absolutely.
And as luck would have it, by hook or crook, I got into a profession that does involve that. That does involve audience following your work. People perceive you as someone living a dream. So, आपका question please?
लोग पहचानते हैं. नहीं, मेरा question तो ये था कि आप role, how are you preparing for your roles, for your characters? Taimur, I would say, was simpler to prepare for. But coming to Adil now, Adil has, of course, is not, I wouldn't say all right, dark or black, but he's a grey character. And he's also a very appealing character. So now my question is shifting to why are grey characters more appealing? Are they more fun to perform? Is the performance better? Do you think your performance is better as Adil than it was as Taimur? Or was Taimur just a really nice guy and he's like, yeah, okay, yeah, he's just the guy next door. Take him for granted.
I think it all comes with experience, trial and error. It's a difficult kind of a combination that you don't go and buy in a supermarket. I think experience आपको बहुत सी चीजें सिखाता है.
Okay.
जहाँ तक Adil का ताल्लुक है, Adil is a human, I think. And इस तरह के बहुत लोग आपको सोसाइटी में मिलते हैं और वो हमारी सोसाइटी ने ही क्रिएट किए होते हैं. जो उसका सुपीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स है वो शायद उसके इन्फीरियरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स से आया है.
वो तो दोनों हैंड इन हैंड ही जाते हैं, of course.
तो अदील के भी यूनिवर्सल फियर्स हैं, उसके पर्सनल फियर्स हैं, उसके कल्चरल फियर्स हैं. एंड जस्ट लाइक एनी अदर ह्यूमन.
Are you furnishing him with all these traits, or is that the way he was written? Because rarely do our characters, are they written with any depth or any kind of, you know.
I think सबसे पहले तो आपकी अपनी imagination.
हाँ, मैं तो मेरा सवाल यही है कि आपने कितना डाला है
अपनी imagination at work आती है. And I'll